Hello friends, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, please kindly like, comment and subscribe to this channel as I'll be dropping tutorials on different headwear type. And today we'll be introducing to us how we can achieve this round pleated autogele we are seeing on the screen, and it is a beginner friendly class. If this is what you have been looking up to learning, please kindly sit tight and watch this tutorial to the end. There are different fabric you can use to make your autogele. It can be either ashoki, sego, and we have this type of damask, brocade, yes, and also you can use your Ankara. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be talking about how to make use of ashoki to do autogele. So for this particular tutorial, we'll be working on how to make a round pleated autogele with V shape band. So ashoki I'm holding here is 3 strap. So and it has a very long length, and that is why we'll be using it to make round pleated ashoki because round pleated autogele often require a lot of fabric depending on how you want the pleat to last, the number of pleats you are trying to create. But because this one is almost 90 inches in length, so we'll be using it. So the length of ashoki differs. You can see some of 70, 80, but for this particular one, it is almost close to 90. So that means I think it is 90. So that means I'll be using it to make a round pleated autogele as the customer order, that she doesn't want something huge, stuff like that. So to make the V shape, to make the V shape at the front, let us start from there. The measurement is for V. You know, the V always cross like this. So we'll be needing 2 pieces of fabric in pairs. Yes. So for that, we'll be using 17 inches. We'll be cutting 17 inches in 2 places. If you are using round band, you will be using 21 inches. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using 17 inches, which is for the V shape. So cut out 17 inches in 2 places. Cut out 17 inches in 2 places. Please. It is very, very simple, but you just have to be careful with your cutting and measurements. And that is all you want to do. So I'll just set the 2 pieces aside. So for the body of the autogele, the body of the autogele is the part that we attach this band to. That part that we tie on head like normal gele, that part that we tie on head to the back of our head, that to carry a rope that will tie. It is the body, it is the body. So for that body, we'll be using, it is constant, so we'll be using 21 inches in 2 places for that one. That is 21 inches in 2 places. This 21 inches is constant, please, for any type of autogele you are trying to make, except Ankara. If you are doing Ankara, you may decide to make it like turban, like the body like turban. Sure, you understand? But for this one, we'll be using 21 inches in 2 places. So I'll just cut it out. It's 21 inches. And to the second one, 21 inches. I'll set that one too aside. So the next thing to cut is the crown. That pleated structure, we call it crown. So for the crown, it depends on how long you want it to last. Like we discussed earlier, like how bulky you want the pleat to be. So the first measurement, the basics of this measurement, I will write it. Before the end of this tutorial. I will write it, maybe I'll tag it as a note. So the first measurement, the pleat is in section. So the first measurement to use is 21, which is the same length as this hoodie. So the first measurement to use is 21. So that 21, the next section of it will be plus 2. 21 plus 2. So that will be 23. So the next one to that 23, 23 plus 3. Sure you understand? That will be 26. So that means you'll be having 21 plus 2, that is 23. 23 plus 3, that is 26. 26 plus 4, that is 30. 30 plus 5, that is 35. And that's how you'll be having it. So shall we have it? So I'll firstly cut out that 21 inches. Then I'll continue increasing it by 2, by 3, by 4, and like that. So this is the 21 focus. This is the 21 focus. Do you see the way I'm folding it so that I will have the correct measurement and I will not end up cutting something short. So can you see? This is the 21 inches. Then you cut it out. Cut it out. So the next one is 21 plus 2. Like we said, that will be 20. We can cut it in half. So I love cutting in half. So 20, that will be 21 plus 2. That will be 23. So 20 out of 23 is 11.5. Pardon me for this. I love cutting in half because it is very, very easy for me. If you do not like cutting in half, just cut it the way I cut the other time. Just make sure that the measurement you're having is accurate. That is all you need. So this is 23, 21, 21, 23. So the next one we're having is 23 plus 3. That will be 26. Half of 26 is 13. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just cut the remaining one off camera. So this is the last piece I cut. So before you cut out this last piece, always make sure you check the amount of fabric as you are cutting. Check the amount of fabric remaining as you are cutting, because after all these pleats, you'll be needing your another fabric for the hand that they will tie at the back, and as well for this piece, there will be a rope that they can use to tie it at the back if you are not using Velcro. There is this thing we call Velcro. Shoemakers always use it. I don't know. Just like open and close like this. So we normally use that one too, but it is not as firm as rope. So I prefer using rope. So inside this piece, I'll be using the rope. I'll be having the rope. And as well, I'll be having the long hand that will attach to all these please. That will be the main end for the gale. So that is all for the cutting. So I'll not be cutting this yet until I am sewing. So that is that for the cut. So at the end of this cutting, we have about 5 different pieces for the pleats. So this is the one that measures 21. 21 plus 2, that is 23. This is 1. Then plus 3, this is 26. 26 plus 4, this is the 30. And 30 plus 5, this is the 35. So can you see the way I arrange it? So that's for the pleat. And for this is the remaining fabric. And for the V-shape band, this is it. 17 inches in 2 places. And this is for the body, 21 inches also in 2 places. Please, if you are making use of round base, like the base that will be round, please, you should make, and your band will be the same measurements as the body. What I'm saying is that you'll be having just one band. If you are making round base, you'll be having just one band, which should be 21 inches, the same length as this. We'll be having just 21 inches in one place. So this is all for the measurement for round Autogele. I don't want this video to be too long, so that we will understand the details of the tutorial. So in my next video, we'll be talking about the sewing and the pleating part. Since we have got right the measurements, which is the most tricky part of Autogele making. Please, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll be attending to it one after the other. Please don't forget to support your girl by clicking on the like button and subscribe so that you will get notified when the concluding part of this tutorial drop. See you in my next video. Bye.